Hello everyone, picking up from the previous video. Today I would like to walk you through the manufacturing process of our connector housing in detail. As you can see, we use SABIC raw material, the exact same grade specified by international brands, just ensuring high performance and compatibility. Now please have a look at our automatic machine, all dedicated to the connector manufacturing. High precision, high quality, superior quality, and efficient mass production. This is 45 connector housing, as you can see, made by the automated equipment, and 10 colors for selections. And we also can make depending on the customer's design. About the quality control, every single unit product 100% inspected by manually, just ensure zero defective product leave our factories, guaranteeing industrial quality standards. If you are in the sector that in need of power connectors, please contact us anytime. We are the solution provider.